If you want to put your team on the path to satisfying customers for decades, there are several key dynamics you need to establish. First, you need to identify a real need. This can only happen when your team is in close enough proximity to a customer with the right kinds of relationships that lead to empathy. You need a sense of what the customer is trying to accomplish, what makes life painful, and what they hope for tomorrow. The other dynamic in determining a real need is an understanding of the options the customer already has. Peter Drucker once said, "There's nothing so useless as doing efficiently that which should not be done at all." We need to have a deep understanding of the customer's needs and a good understanding of the landscape around them in order to validate that need. These are also two of the prerequisites for being relevant. The other ingredient for being relevant is having the right kinds of knowledge, skills, and assets. This is a prerequisite not only for relevance, but also for competence. If you're to have any hope of being competent in satisfying customer needs, you'll need to have both relevant know-how and the ability to package that know-how into solutions the customer can access and use. In order for solutions to be relevant and satisfying and competent, you must be able to convert your understanding and abilities into products and services that are focused on the customer's priorities, pain, and hopes. That's value. But to do this sustainably over time with the necessary focus on their needs, you need the right set of economic dynamics that make you both willing and able. You need to be there when the customer needs you, and you need to be able to afford to act in service to their needs. If you have all the other dynamics but you lack the financial resources, it's a recipe for frustration because you won't be able to respond and adapt in service to the customer. In a world full of needs, pain, and dreams, sustainable value creation is a key to long-term relevance and impact. Creating these dynamics for your team will help create the focus and adaptability necessary for long-term impact.